In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Free Fire on iPhone. First, let's begin by opening the App Store on your iPhone. This is the place where you can find and download various applications, including games like Free Fire. When you open the App Store, you will see a clean interface with several tabs at the bottom, such as Today, Games, Apps, and Updates. These tabs help you navigate through the store easily. The App Store is a secure environment provided by Apple, so you can feel confident about downloading apps from here. Once you locate the App Store icon, simply tap on it to launch the application. Next, you will need to search for Free Fire. At the bottom of the App Store, you will notice a search tab. Tap on this tab to access the search bar. Here, you can type in the name of the game. It's crucial to type Free Fire accurately to ensure you find the correct app. As you type, suggestions may appear, making it easier for you to find the game. This step is essential because it helps you avoid downloading any unofficial or imitation versions of the game. Once you finish typing, hit the search button on your keyboard. Now, take a look at the search results. You should see a list of applications that match your search query. Look for the official Free Fire app, which is developed by Garena. It's important to identify the correct app because there may be similar games with different developers. The official app will typically have a high number of downloads and positive reviews. This can give you confidence that you are selecting the right game. Once you spot the official Free Fire app, tap on it to view more details. After selecting the official Free Fire app, it's time to tap on the Get button. This button is usually located near the top right corner of the app's page. By tapping Get, you initiate the download process. If you have not downloaded apps before, you might see a small icon that resembles a cloud with an arrow. This indicates that the app is available for download. This step is crucial because clicking Get starts the installation process, making the game ready for you to play soon. You should see a loading circle indicating that the download is in progress. At this stage, you may be prompted to authenticate your download. Depending on your settings, you could be asked to use Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple account password. This step is important for security, ensuring that only authorized users can download apps on your device. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the authentication. Once you successfully authenticate, the download will continue. This gives you peace of mind knowing your account is secure while downloading apps. Finally, when the installation is complete, you will see the option to tap Open. This button appears where the Get button was previously located. Tapping Open will launch Free Fire for the first time on your iPhone. You will be greeted with the game's opening screen, and from here you can start your adventure. This ensures that the game is now ready for you to enjoy. You are all set to dive into the world of Free Fire and have a great gaming experience.